Hello folks, welcome to Yardie TV, and today we are doing a reaction video?
It's not a reaction video, but it's just us sharing our top 10 Jamaican YouTubers.
Yeah, we as YouTubers, we watch a lot of YouTube channels. You know,
not a lot.
Well, we watch
a lot of YouTube.
A lot of YouTube.
From
right.
a very select few of YouTubers from Jamaica, yeah.
And I thought to myself, why not, you know, just for expose purpose, you know, put a list together. She has her 5, I have my 5, albeit we watch each other's fave nonetheless. But I have I'm sorry.
I'm pretty sure we overlap.
We do overlap. But I just thought to myself, if she can pick her top 5, you know, and I can pick my top 5, we could let you guys know, you know, by way of supporting other YouTubers and also just highlighting who we like and why we like them. So stay with us now and see what happens. We're gonna pick our top 10 YouTubers, and this is Jamaican YouTubers, I must say. These are Jamaican YouTubers living on the island of Jamaica. We have another list of YouTubers who are overseas, but we're talking about our top 5 or top 10 Jamaican YouTubers living in Jamaica. What that sound?
Stay tuned.
I'm going to start with mine first.
No, you're not in it.
No, not me, like my video. My 5, my first. Like mine. I'm starting with mine first.
You can say you are the first YouTuber where the
I'm gonna live in Jamaica. So you want to start with your you want to start first with your number 5 and then we count down?
I don't want to say that mine is in any special order. It's just my 5, so don't take it. But
except number 1.
Except number 1.
Yeah. All right, guys, stick and stay. Here we go. Top 5, top 10 YouTubers, Jamaican.
Top baller.
Hey.
Well, all right, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like jamming too.
Alright guys, so first on the list we have none other than Tananya. Yes, Tananya is on my list of favorite Jamaican YouTubers to watch. And why, might you ask? Just simply because her videos are so authentic. She seems so humble, so relatable, and in addition she have a wide cross section of different videos, so you're sure to benefit and to learn something from something that she is doing.
Boss. Anything Tananya touch, that's happy seal. That's happy seal.
Next up on the list is the Jamaican Food Boss. I totally love the Jamaican Food Boss videos because he gets to travel around and do, you know, crazy expose on Jamaican food, little bit of culture, and in just detail name thing. I met him, I started watching his videos when he was doing Mark Queen's, you know, trip to Jamaica. And from there, so, the thing just shell down the place. I love him vibe, I love him come with. Yeah, Jamaican Food Boss.
We care, and we love we care clean. You can't skunk nation about that. Nick Lou did tell you. The thing them are fresh. So today we there at the car wash, and you don't know, them always have food at a car wash. A man a cook a soup and a car just come in. Mama just in and sell her fish and thing, and them sitting and people are buying. So I want.
No. Where do?
I look on the food.
Hey. Where look on?
Everything. I look on the fish and everything we have in.
Everything.
Yeah, I know where you have.
Fish, chicken, pork, everything.
Alright, so my next favorite YouTuber, believe it or not, is Ras Kitchen.
For reals? Yo.
Guys, people all over the world are falling in love with Ras Kitchen because
Moko.
Ras Moko, yeah. This unpretentious, tell it like it is what it is type of gentleman is just cooking some food.
And I love the family vibes to it. Ratty and Matthew come down from Canada. And as a matter of fact, it's really Matthew start the channel, but the channel is 100% Ras Moko. You know, so we love that.
But yeah, we're all about healthy eats. So I love the fact that he does his thing from a health-based standpoint. The featuring of just the expanse of land that Jamaica has to offer, the river, the greenery, the fruits, everything, it's just captivating. I love it.
What we got going on today?
Banana, you know. Banana and breadfruit and yam.
Banana breadfruit
And yam. Wow. Alright, plant.
Now, a lot of people don't know, including myself, when I came to Jamaica, I didn't know you could eat green banana like this. I really had no idea, though. I only know the sweet banana. And what type of banana is this one again? The name? So those are included when you stay here. So many different types. You can have like 6-8 types of bananas. Today, we picked 5 different types of bananas. We had Lacatan, Gros Michel, Valerie. What else do we have today?
Honey banana.
Honey banana, the little one.
Yeah.
Talking about land and traveling and all of that, let me tell you, one of my favorite videos is from Drizzy Burke Walking TV, and by extension the Walking TV family. Drizzy Burke and the whole crew gets to travel the entirety of Portland. Every day they're there on different river. It's just a fun time with Momo, Sham, Mel, you know, the Danny, the all of them. You know, 6 Bars, the whole of them, Drizzy Burke, we can't call everybody name, I tell the truth, but we love them. You understand? We love everybody, the Ras, everybody.
The reasoning.
The reasoning, the cooking. I love it, I love it. I not tell no lie. Drizzy Burke Walking TV at the bum. Member.
The next one, yeah, on the look good chart, is Petit Su. Who doesn't love Petit Su? This girl is just so quiet and humble. It's like, I would describe her as a big tower of strength in a small frame. But she is just so talented. She is a go-getter. I love her interaction with her family. I think that's what's most captivating in her vlogs. You see how much she does everything with her mom and her sister. And yeah, I'm gonna see her doing big things, entering the competition the other day. The social house. Yeah, I was repping for your girl, and yeah, just saying. But yeah, big up yourself, Petit Su. Channel shot. It is fall in Jamaica, but you know, just to be in the spirit of the season.
One of my favorite channels on YouTube is a channel that I really like because the content that they put out is so positive. Always something positive, something family oriented, and I love that. You understand? I talk about Wayne Marshall and his family. Yeah, Meet the Mitchell. That's one of my favorite on YouTube. I watch them all the time. It's funny. I keep watching Meet the Mitchells because the content is just great. It's just wholesome and wonderful. I like everything about them. I like when the wife is singing, you know, the song to the baby in the morning. It just, I love it. Meet the Mitchells. You have to watch that one day. Trust me.
Good morning to you. Oh, you know what else I love about them? Their interaction with the babysitter and the helper. It's everything. I love that.
Trust me.
About them.
Yeah.
They make those them a part of the family.
Which is right. That's what the thing said. Big up on yourself. The Mitchell's family. You go on in.
Go on in. Alright guys, so I'm very excited about the next one. Expressions JA. Of course, this is a group. Well, first of all, we discovered the channel just scrolling through YouTube one day and we came across the bartender. We watched one episode and the rest is history.
Every single Sunday. She race from church. Oh, hurry up and eat your dinner because the bartender will start. Listen, I never started like, you know, it was any big thing. Now we hook. We cannot wait for the season to start again. Listen, Expression JA. And to see that they did all of this with no bucketive, you know.
No professional equipment. Just a 4 years.
And it's a full series up to 3 seasons. The 3rd season about to start, you know, in October start already. I mean, it's good. It's great. And then acting, the level of acting. From dog bed to goodie to 5 to shoppy. The whole of them. We're hooked. I'm not telling a lie. We love it. And guess what? It is introducing us now to the other features that Expressions JA have, like the corner shop and the apartment and all of the other different things with them. Yeah, the thing turn up. Remember me tell you. It's nicer than the previously. I'm coming, you understand? So the next one on my list is the JNEL comedy. Yeah, JNEL, whatever. Jane, me can't pronounce it. JNEL. The little youth bad with the street questions, asking questions in JA. And you know what? I like it because it's funny, but at the same time it really goes deep into showing our culture stay and how we interpret things, some simple questions, the riddles and them things. I laugh sometimes, but sometimes I'm like, are you serious? Sometimes it's like astounding that the people them don't know some of the quiz and the riddles when put out there. him have some nice little vlogs and with the young people them and thing, and I love it. So yeah, and he's an idiot, you know, by nature. So him connect with the idiocity that is genial comedy. Big up yourself, youth. You understand? Love it.
Always in you, sometimes on you. If I surround you, I can kill you. What am I? Sperms. What one peeps you done here, boy, Jenny Lang. Welcome. You can see me though. Watch it now. When I go back at this, you can't go see me. Watch it now. You can't see me though. You not see me now. Watch it now. Go on again. Who are going peeps you done here, boy, Jenny? Back at it again with the next episode of the question. So watching the peeps, they're back in after tree. I pre that carrot, the carrot pull up wicked a while ago. You see me? Yeah, my general, big up, you know. Yes, you don't know after tree, and people, you don't know the vibes there, as I can see. I mean, people pass, you we just reach, and 4 people will get a garage.
I 100% love this channel. From the first time I see it, I've been just 100% supportive of this channel in terms of, you know, commenting and all these things. A lot of people watch YouTube channels and don't comment. But from my link up with this guy, So I Vlogs, yeah, SOAI, So I Vlogs.
Stuck on an island.
Yeah. Yo, the youth put so much quality into him thing. Him keep growing. You know, him go to the unusual places in Jamaica. When you watch So I, you see Jamaica in a different light. Now, when I was living home in Jamaica, I used to go places in Jamaica, travel a lot. But when I start watching So I, it's like a different island.
And that's what I love, because people tend to go to the same places. Everybody goes to the same vacation spot. And so the little hidden treasures of Jamaica don't get discovered by most people. So we respect him for that.
And guess what? Him also creative in terms of the cooking, you know, cooking on the river. And he is learning as he experiences new things. He puts it on his channel, and he's meeting people through Patreon and through other mediums. And you know, his channel is really about quality. It's about content. It's not just throwing something up there for the sake of throwing something up there. And so it's interesting. And then you know, him always have the little pretty girl and around him and them thing there and them thing there. You know, he's a man after my own heart. You understand? He makes sure him surround himself with natural beauty. You understand? Physical beauty, geographical beauty, every kind of beauty. Big up So I Vlogs.
Every time.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys over here always smiling. So you don't know, Jilly and I are here at the country hotel at the moment. We're on the beach, but it seems like it's going to be a rainy day, but that's not going to stop us. We're about to try to cook up some lobster. I'm going to try to do a lobster mac and cheese out here. You guys saw the previous video where you don't know, our boy Raymond brought in some live lobsters for us. Unfortunately, like I had them in some salt water and seawater obviously, but realized that we couldn't keep them going for too long, so I just dispatched them, put them in the fridge. So a couple hours later, we are out here cooking up this fresh lobster.
Alright guys, last but by no means least, our very favorite. Watch every day if we can. Can't wait to see the next episode. Guys, our current favorite Jamaican YouTubers are none other than
Boom!
Nikki and
Klein. No guys, Nikki and Klein is a group of, well, a couple, you know, vloggers. They do pranks, they do reaction videos, and they have been making good waves in, you know, with viewership and stuff in Jamaica. They might not be mainstream because I've not seen them on a lot of the media, but they're doing their thing and making good moves. You know, I'm gonna tell you, Nikki is crazy. She mad. She don't have no sense.
She's just a natural.
Trust me.
I always say to myself that this girl needs to find somebody stage and just got act.
She could have asked.
She would be a good actress.
When she pranked Klein, it done. Klein is just this, you know, quintessential Jamaican youth, you know, bad man thing, where, you know, having Vivo channel and doing songs them and stuff. And even though the songs them don't connect with us, we still love the vibe. We love with them authenticity. There's a lot of people doing pranks. There's a lot of people doing these types of same type of video in Jamaica. And I me not go through them. Me not click. But me I tell you, we can't wait for watch Nikki and Klein. When Nikki grab him up and lick him down, and when him a cuss her, and it's just crazy the genuineness will come from them thing.
And the genuine love that you see.
Yeah. Him love him what him girlfriend. Soon to be wife. Cause we are praying to being. You know, him love him girlfriend, she love him, and the things them them a do. You can know say even though I'm a prank her, I'm love her, even though she a prank him, she love him. Them just genuine, and I think that's the thing that shine through for we. We watch them every single time them load a video up. We watch them. Albeit we watch on our TV, so we don't really comment a lot on their channel, but we watch them. You know, we're faithful viewers. You know, but Nikki and Klein, I would say, I would call them our number one because the fact that we both. You notice there's actually 9 when you think about the list. There's actually 9 videos, 9 YouTubers that we mentioned because we both love Nikki and Klein to that extent. So yeah, I just want to say, I them we love. You understand? Yeah, I'm gonna start call her B.
You must call me Sling.
Yes, ish. So Nikki versus Klein is our number one Jamaican YouTuber. We watch their channel all the time. Raunchy pranks, adult situations, reactions, and just total fun with these two. We love it.
Yeah, so shout out to our Jamaican vloggers doing your thing, you know, making strides and just making your impact around the world. We're watching you. We're enjoying you.
And I want to just, you know, make mention of a couple people. You have anybody want to make mention of? I want to make mention of Ras Kitchen. Yeah, Ras Kitchen are doing thing. I like where I'm in content. I've not been connecting so much in recent times, but I love him vibe. I love when he hosts the social house and everything. They show say, yeah, growing, yeah, developing thing. You know, big up, you know, who else more big up? Big up. Razor Blade vlogs, you know, you have some youth where them are doing thing. And if you're not on this list, it's not because you're not good, it's not because you're less than, it's just because you are among our favorite where we watch. This list is the number one, you know, the 10 most favorite, you know, that we watch. So big up on yourself, you know, and keep doing what you guys are doing. Yeah, tell you the truth. It is a way in which we can express ourselves. It's a way in which we can get some stuff out there, who we are, and make some memorable moments last. You understand?
Yeah, so the thing said. Anyway, remember to check out our channel, Yardie TV, which is our cooking channel. And you have Natural Hair Dynamics, which is mostly hair related and vlogs. Yeah.
And beauty. Natural beauty. And just continue to love, like, share, subscribe to your favorite YouTuber, support them thing, you know, and let them know that you do in any form or fashion that you can. The next thing that we might do is our favorite Jamaican YouTubers that are not living in Jamaica, you know, and we'll see how that goes. If this channel get 1,000 likes, we're gonna do the next one. You understand? So remember, live and laugh, cook and eat.